Good morning. So, if you guys don't know what today is it's Christmas Eve. Excuse me for how ratchet I look. Get out of here. Get out. Come on. The only man in my life who listens. She sprayed the carpet with Lysol. Why, Mom? Why do you have a dog if you spray the carpet with Lysol? Oh, here they are. Found them. Slippers. Let me show you the face of an angel. Can you see it? But what I'm trying to understand is that when she's home with me, she wakes up at the crack of dawn. 7 o'clock, she in my bed talking about something. Mommy, it's morning. The sun's up. But when she's here, she sleeps till 9, 10 o'clock. That's the devil. That ain't nothing but the devil. Trying to work my nerve and nothing but the devil. Isn't that Christmas tree beautiful? Didn't they do a great job? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. In this light, I don't look that bad. Just in the darkness, I look like a ghoul. So we want coffee, we want it strong, and we want a 12-ounce travel cup. I don't even know if I have a 12-ounce travel cup. Let me show you guys these. So, who bit one and put it? So my mom and Clark made these. They are little snowmen. Do you see them? How cute are they? I'm gonna do these at Mason's today. She's really into science and creating things, so I'm trying to grow her into the best human being I can possibly make her into. Hey, this is Luke. Say hey, Luke. Hey. Luke's birthday was yesterday. He getting all gray. Oh, I got his hair. You look right here. Look right here. He don't want to pay up. F1. I keep shooters up top in the F1. A lot of I got my relate. So what? I tried. But your hair is on point though. Holler.